All gates at the Baglihar Hydroelectric Power Project Dam built on Chenab River in Ramban have been closed is what we are getting to know. Ashik Mir on the telecast with me. Ashik, what more can you tell us?
Well, absolutely, Megha. This is a big development, but we are tracking from the Jam Zero in Baglihar. The gates have been opened for the water flow because we have witnessed rainfall. We have witnessed rainfall continuously in Jammu and Kashmir past 3 days, and this was a flood-like situation in that area. So far, all gates have been open, and still we can see the Indus Water Treaty is still suspended. But the authorities have decided to open all 3 gates of Baglihar, which is located in the Ramban area. Megha.
Right, absolutely. What is going to take place in the coming days and weeks, keeping in mind that India keeps its stance on the Indus Water Treaty, puts it in abeyance even after the ceasefire has been established between both countries?
Well, exactly. We have witnessed the water strike, which was initiated by the government of India. So far, 3 rivers which were flown to the Pakistan, they were stopped, and in which Baglihar project was also that was also stopped. The gates of the Baglihar were closed. So far, the situation is still tense on the line of control areas. Yesterday, we've seen many drones were flying, but the decision, the diplomatic decision, what the government India has taken so far, in which all rivers which flow to the Pakistan have been closed, have been stopped in many areas, and this will remain continue because there were no talks related to that, that how the water will go to the Pakistan. Still, the main aim is to stop the terrorist activities which are highly been seen in Jammu and Kashmir. So far, the Baglihar gates have been opened because of the flood-like situation in the area, and the other rivers which have been closed for the water has still in the same position.
Right, absolutely. Thank you for giving us those updates.